Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get iron in Solarpunk. Now the first thing I want you to do is just head over to this direction right here, and you should find a bunch of iron ore that you can mine with your pickaxe. Now you can mine these as well, this one in the ground. If you keep mining this will give you an almost unlimited source of iron ore. Now once you get your iron ore from here, what I want you to do is go ahead and research for a furnace. So use a research table to research a furnace, and then I want you to come to the crafting table, and now here you're able to craft a furnace. You just need 15 pieces of stone, and then you can go ahead and place your furnace from your inventory. So go ahead and place it right here, and now you need a fuel source. So you can place wood right here as the fuel source, and then put your iron ore right there, and then it will go ahead and transform the iron ore into actual iron. So as you can see, now we have iron. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.